Hello, good morning, students. We'll start with the estimation of the roads. So, here in the estimation of roads, we are calculating the quantity of earthwork. So, there are three methods which we are following to calculate the earthwork for the roads. The one is mid section method, mean section method, and prismoidal method. So, before going to these methods, we'll study about the how to calculate the area of this trapezoidal section. So our roads are in the shape of trapezoidal. Our roads are in the shape of trapezoidal in section. So here B is the formation width of the road. What is B? It is formation width of the road. And D is the depth of cutting or filling. And S is to 1 is the side slope. S is to 1 is what? Side slope. S is for horizontal, 1 is for vertical. Okay. So this is the longitudinal section of the road. Here it is for several chain-edges. Okay. If it is for 100 meters. So in this we are going to make the chain-edges. 1 chain-edge, 2 chain-edge, 3 and so on. So chain-edges. So we are going to calculate the area at each sections. Area at each sections. Okay. Now this trapezoidal section consists of one rectangular section plus two triangular sections. The area of the rectangle can be easily determined, that is width into the depth. Area of rectangle equal to breadth into the depth, and the area of triangle is equal to half base into the depth. Half base into depth. So we know the depth of the section, but we don't know this base width. But the side slope is given, that is S is to 1. So horizontal is S, vertical is 1. So similarly we are going to consider for this whole triangle, horizontal distance is, that is unknown, we don't know, so I have taken considered as question mark, and the vertical distance, that is depth, D. So by cross multiplying this one, so this unknown base width is equal to S into D. Unknown is equal to what? S into D. This is your base width, S into D. Okay. Now the area of this triangle is equal to what? Half base is SD into D. Half SD into D. So there are two triangles, so it is two numbers here. Half SD into D. Okay. So this is BD. Half SD square plus half SD square will becomes SD square. So the area of the trapezoidal section is equal to BD plus SD square. Here B is the formation width of the road, D is the depth of filling or cutting, S is the side slope. Let's move to the mid section method. So I have taken one section here. In this complete road, I have taken one section here. So at section 1 depth is D1, at section 2 depth is D2. Okay. In the mid section method, we are taking the average of the depths. Depth at section 1 plus depth at section 2. So average D is equal to D1 plus D2 divided by D. So if you are going to do average, you will get the middle one. So the name itself tells it is a mid section method. Okay. So in place of D, it is D1 plus D2 divided by 2. That is depth of section 1 plus depth of section 2 divided by 2. So this is about the mid section method. Next is mean section method. In mean section method, again I have considered the one section, one chainage length of the road. At section 1 area is A1, that is capital A, capital B, capital C and capital D. It is one section, that area is what? A1. Again at small a, small b, small c and small d, we're having another face. That area is called as A2. So in mean section method we are averaging the mean of this area, section 1 plus section 2. So it is A equal to A1 plus 2, A1 plus A2 divided by 2. This is what mean of the section. Okay. Third one, the Prismoidal method. In Prismoidal method, directly the formula is given, that is L by 3 A0 plus AN plus 4 times the A1 A3 AN minus 1, that is 4 times the odd numbers plus 2 times the A2 plus A4 up to the AN minus 2. It is 2 times the even numbers. Okay. Now here L is what is the spacing or interval distances, means one chain is to the another chain is how much is the distance. The distance is the interval distance or spacing, that is equal to L here. Okay. And this is applicable for the sections of n equal to even numbers, n equal to even numbers, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, like this. If you suppose if you are getting the n equal to odd numbers, in such cases what you should do is you should do till n minus 1 number, means if it is 11 numbers, 11 is an odd number. Okay. In such cases you will have to calculate the a value with the help up to the n minus 1, means it is up to the 10th section. Afterwards the last section, whatever 10 to 11 whatever is there, that you calculate it separately and add it to this answer. Okay. So this is about the Prismoidal method.